Hello everyone, and in this video let's continue working with the template for the question. We need to fix this. It's like showing the user here. This is the person who asked the question, not the person who answered it. So let's go here to question, and we are answers. Okay, this is the problem. We put question here and it's supposed to be answer. Save and refresh. So yeah, we got the person here. Let me see if I can fix if I put span here. Check. Let me see here. Oh yeah, no. You can just play with that and like put it where you want it. Put a space here. Okay. Let me comment with another user. Put this guy here. Okay, we got the two answers showing here. Okay, let's put another answer. Okay, so now we need to do the up boat and like down boat thing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me check. Okay. Okay. So for the boat, we're going to, as I said, we're going to use Ajax. So let's go to our JavaScript file here in it, and then here we're going to work on that. But first, let's go to the thumb here, and here we can do this. Here, let's put class will be boat. This is a new class that we're creating. Will be boat, and then let's put boat type. This is a new attribute that I'm creating. Okay, of course, this attribute doesn't exist. I'm just creating it. Boat type, let me put U, and here boat type I will put D. Okay, that's for the up boat and that one's for the down boat. So here I will put answer ID. This is another attribute that I'm creating. I will put answer. Oops, sorry. Put answer.id. Let's copy that one and then I paste it here. Okay. Let me move these ones a little bit so it doesn't. I guess I have to go there. Okay. Okay, this is this user. Okay. Oh, and as you can see, we don't have the mark as answer thing. Okay, so now let's go to our init file here. Then here, let's put for the answer vote. Right? And here, let's put we're going to use the class vote. Remember, that's why we named these ones like vote. So click function. So basically, when we click on those, that here, put that. Okay. Click function. So we need to get first, let's create a variable. Let's call it a tag, right? Just like that. Oops. I'm working like this was Python. Okay. A tag will be, let's call it, let's put this class, right? This is the A tag here. Okay. Now let's get the CSRF. Though that's the token, and then we get it from input name will be the name of the token when it's created in the, for example, if you go to you go and inspect the code, you'll be able to see the cross-forgery token somewhere here. Oh yeah, just like that. Actually, we can just copy. See if I can. We can just copy the name. As you can see, it's an input that is hidden. That's why that's when you put the cross-forgery token, it's just basically creating a hidden input here. So name, let's put this one. Let's put it like that with single ones. And let's put this one, close it here. Here we put val to get the value. Okay, that's how we're going to get the cross-forgery token. So another one that we need to do, we need to create URL. We need to get the URL. And let's go here. Then we can go to the, because we don't have it. So here on the top, we're going to get the, where is it? Let's copy the token, put it here, and also let's put an input type hidden, right? And the name of that one will be URL, and then the value of that input will be request that get full path. That's to get the path of this or basically like the URL, and you'll see why getting that one. So okay, URL path will be input name URL. That's the, remember, that's the name of that URL. So here we put val to get the value. Perfect. Now we need to get the answer ID. Here, let's put this to get the A tag. That ATTR to get the attribute, and then here we get the attribute answer ID. Answer ID. Remember? And here the same thing. This one will be for the boat type. This ATTR, then boat type. Just like that. Okay, now here, let's put that Ajax. Right? URL will be URL path, the variable that we just created here, path plus, remember what was the URL, like boat, remember here in the URLs, boat, because we're basically getting this whole path, this whole URL, and then like boat, basically send the Ajax. Okay, that's the URL. So for data, here data, we're going to pass the token here, that one, and now we pass the cross-variety token, comma. We need to pass the answer ID, that answer ID, because if we go to the views in question, here in the boat, remember that we're getting the answer ID and the boat type here. So answer ID just like that, and then we pass answer ID, comma, here boat type will be boat type. Perfect. And then comma here. So let's put chain false. And then the type of this Ajax will be post, right? So if we get a success, let's see, why is this like here ends here, like that. And then here, let's put return like false. False. Okay. Okay, so here, okay, we're going to have success. It will be a function. Oops. And then we're getting data. So we're going to do, so if this is success, so we need to update the class like A tags. So let's put dot boat. And then here we're going to put that remove class. We don't have this class yet, so we're going to remove class green. We're going to remove it first. And then just in case, so just in case the person like click on the boat up, like up boat, it will be green, right? As soon as he like boat, and let's say that he boated, right? It's green. And then hit click again. So we have to remove the green. That's what I'm doing here. That's why first I'm removing it. Of course, if it hasn't both, it will be like empty, but we need to put it there first. So add class. Now we add the red test, right? Okay. Oh, sorry, remove class 2. That's for the downvote 2. Okay. Okay, so if first we need to check the vote type. So if vote type equals u, then here we're going to remember the a tag. We're going to add the class green test. Okay. And we're going to see that in action. Else here a tag add class, right? That's because this one was a downvote. Okay. Okay, we got that. Now here, let's put this one will be the like the answer vote. So here let's put answer vote, right? And here we put was answer ID that test, and then here we pass the data. So basically data will be when you go to the views will be the HTTP response, like the calculate vote. That's what we're going to get here in the data, and then we pass it here. It's gonna like update that, and so yeah. So that should work for now, I think. Let's just test it. Let's save, and let's check that we have. Let's go to question. Make sure that we got the where are the votes here. So here we need to put ID. Remember, we put the ID. Oops, answer vote, and then here next to it, right? We need to put the answer dot ID, because we can have like multiples like answers. So we are going to use the answer ID here as ID to construct the ID here. Okay. That should be it right now. Now let's reload here with Control F5 so we can reload the JavaScript files. And then we are with this user. Let's upvote the teacher. So let me check, and then here we go. And as you can see, it says like votes 1. And if we go, let's go to question admin. Let's from question that models. Let's put vote. I want you to see that register. Vote. It's safe. If we go to here, you go to votes, you will see the votes here made by this user, and then it's like an upvote. Okay, so it's working. So that's for the upvote. Now let's look with another user. Let's put this. So if with this user we go here and with downvote here, it's like -1, as you can see, because we just downvoted it. And then if we click again, it should remove that one. So let me see. No, it's not doing it. Let's refresh and see. Yeah, it's just -1. Let's go to the views and check. If user answer ID and vote type. Okay. This is very interesting. That should be it. Let's see. Let's check the. Oops. Oops. Let's check the admin. See if it's the. Oh yeah, it's not deleting the. Okay, so yes, S6. This will be true, right? Here we do the else. Let's try this way. Let's see if this works this way. It should be here. So let's save. Let's refresh. We are with this user. Let's log with this user and then let's upvote this answer. And then let's click again. Let's go to the admin. Okay, so for some reason this is the user. answer at 6. Oh, I think. Yeah, we need to, let me save that. Let me go to the Django. Let's check now here. Is user result? Okay. I think I uploaded this guy, so. Oh. So let's check. Let's check it this way, right? Let's refresh. Just pay attention to this, what is it? So we upvoted with this guy here. So let's click upvote. And it's 0 now. So let me check. I think it's because I was putting the. Oh yeah, it's working now. Okay. Okay, so now it's working. Apparently the error is, it was that I was like, I had this here and I didn't have the else apparently, but let's just save it that way. And so yeah, we got the boat working. That one is for the. So let's go here and then questions. Now let's, in this we are going to work with the unanswered thing and like mark as answered. Okay, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.